Alright, well, first we have to remove the old blind. This is a old way of installing it, so it has a little clip in the back. Just gotta push that clip out. Well, I guess it's not necessarily an old style, it's just different brands use different ways of mounting. Alright, now just to remove the mounting bracket. Okay, now unboxing the new blinds. There's the blinds and the rod. Now this is a cordless blind. There's the cover, and here's the hardware. This hardware, it slides right in. You install the bracket, and then the blinds slide in. And this is how it goes on and closes. Secure. Alright, now it's time to mark the center of the window. Then you gotta line up the new blinds. Alright, now we're just gonna drill the pilot holes for the bracket. I've already outlined the bracket and created the pencil marks. I'm just gonna drill into those pencil marks. Alright, I'm gonna just drill it in. There's brick on top, so inside the drywall there's brick. So I'm gonna first see if the drywall anchors will help secure the bracket. If not, then I'll have to move over to Tapcon. Alright, I'm going to secure the bracket. I first tighten it with my hands just to get it started. Then I'll come back with a drill. So yeah, I'm noticing that it doesn't seem secure, so I'm gonna do a pull test just because this is a blind, a cordless blind, so it's gonna constantly be pulled on. So I have to make sure that this is gonna be secure. And when I did the pull test, it was loose, and I put the anchor in, but it just wasn't securing, so I took it out. So the dry anchor failed. The drywall anchor failed. So let me just remove the screw from the drywall anchor in between the bracket. I'm just gonna go with Tapcon. So let me prepare the area for Tapcon. I'm gonna install a 2.5 inch Tapcon, and it comes with its own drill bit. So you just gotta drill the hole, and it's going through the brick. All right, so the hardware has a set hole. I'm gonna basically drill it out so I can install the Tapcon screws. The Tapcon screws will not fit in through that tiny hole. Alright, now we got the Tapcon screw hole, a good right size. Now I could drill it in. Alright, and now for the pull test, it's secure. See the Tapcon screw, especially when it screws into a brick, it can hold up to 66 pounds. Alright, so I'm installing the blinds. Right, so I need to take it out a little bit so I can install the clips. So I'm just gonna take out the blinds a bit so I can install the clips. So you couldn't install the clips while it was already secured. Alright, and now I'm gonna install the rod. A little quick test to make sure that it's all working as expected. Alright, and now install the face cover. This is a little tricky. Just gotta get the top piece in, and then you move the bottom part into it. Alright, so face cover installed, and check the distance, good. Alright, now it's just time to validate, make sure all is working as expected. Alright, so this is the cordless blind, so it should be able to just pull up and push out without pulling any strings. Checking the rod real quick.